Swarm chess. How to play. The rules are the same as regular chess except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. During your turn, each piece that has a legal available move must move. White may only move 6 times on their first turn. To help keep track of already moved pieces, you can mark or rotate them. If a piece is unable to move, then it doesn't move. If a piece moves and, by doing so, allows another piece to move that was previously unable, then that new piece must move before you can end your turn. Each piece may only be moved once each turn, and castling is considered a king move, so the rook must move after a castle if it is able. The king may not move into check, and checkmate does not finalize until the end of the turn of the player whose king is threatened. If a player's king is checkmated at the end of their turn, they lose, even if they had their opponent's king in check or checkmate. The first player to capture or checkmate their opponent's king wins.